Welcome to an exciting tour of one of our most challenging projects, a multi-level go-kart track located in the United States, entirely built in structural steel by Acertec.
This project is a perfect blend of engineering, precision, and adrenaline. From the initial design to the final assembly, every curve and level was crafted with millimeter accuracy.
One of the biggest technical challenges was the fabrication of the curved sections, which required advanced geometric calculations and high precision in cutting and assembly. We worked with variable curvature radii, ensuring each transition was smooth, safe, and optimized for driving.
Now, let's take a closer look at how this impressive steel structure came to life. It all begins with the preparation of each individual part. Our team carefully cuts and marks every position according to detailed fabrication drawings.
After preparation, each part moves into the fabrication line, where it is assembled and welded to shape the structure. This process supported by dimensional control, ultrasonic testing, and 100% weld inspection, in compliance with standards such as AWS D1.1, ASTM E165, and ISO 17635, ensuring quality and safety in every structure.
A pre-assembly is carried out to verify that all components fit correctly and the structure meets design specifications. This ensures quality and minimizes adjustments during final installation. NCE verified. The entire structure is cleaned, painted, and tested according to NACE standards to ensure corrosion protection and coating performance.
Each container we ship is carefully designed and modeled in 3D to ensure every component fits perfectly. The packaging and loading follow this exact model, allowing for efficient handling, protection, and a smooth on-site installation process. This is how we load into containers, and the result: a fully assembled, functional steel structure delivered to our client.